Hi, welcome to another video by VU3 Golf Whiskey November radio. Today I'll be showing you a quick mod to control the internal and external temperature of zBitx. So here what I've done is I've added a new side plate with holes as an possible exhaust, and this side I've added a 30 mm 12 volts fan connected to the 9 volt supply inside, so that it runs a little slow. I'm not really worried. If you run a 12 volts fan at 12 volts, it will make a lot of noise. On the back side I've added some heat sink. I've selected these positions based on the layout of the chips directly above. I know here there is one 7805 and here are two IRF 510s, or sorry, IRF Z24N, but I've added here. The reason I've done this here is because of the stand that I made for this, which is this one. Based made this out of acrylic. It's got a step down and it's got a DC jack, right? A switch so that with a fan speed controller, a simple one, and a 9 volt jack. So the idea is that keep the radio on top of this, put this in, and the holes of the fan directly sit with the screw of the fans here, the heat sink, so that the radio doesn't move much, like this. And then you take a 12 volt DC supply, which is my regular supply, plug it in, and there you go. The radio works just like that. And let me show this to you a little bit more. And it sits on the bottom. You can see the power supply. Uh, you know, DC step down, right? So hopefully here the fan is also running the side, and you can see. Let me connect. There should be some happening now. Let me reduce the drive. Sorry, IF. So hopefully this will keep the you know temperature of Raspberry Pi a little low. You can almost feel the air coming out of the side. I had another idea of putting a mesh outlet here, but with a mesh outlet, there is a lot of dust issue that might get blocked. So just made holes like this. That should be enough. So I'm running zBitx almost daily now for about 12 13 hours on WSPR, and it's working fantastic. So pretty happy with this rig, and I've made a simple microphone for this 3D printed microphone. Just added some heat shrink to hold it in place. This also gives very good coverage, so that's pretty good. So overall, uh, I believe it's a good solution for heat, both internal and external, solving the heat issue. Thank you very much for watching this video 73. Have a great day.